Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to Clear Talk English. I am your host, Sarah. Today, we have a new episode for you. This episode is about 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes of clear, easy English. So, are you ready to practice? Get comfortable and relax. Let's see to our opening, and then let's start. Here we go. We are going to talk about a very common topic, a normal day at work. We will look at every detail. And to help me, I have my friend Mark here. Hi, Mark.
Hello, Sarah. Hello to all the listeners. Wow, 10 minutes? That is a long time.
It is, Mark, but we have a lot to say. Mark, you work in an office, right?
Yes, I do. I work in a large office building in the center of the city.
Perfect. I want to know everything about your day. Let's start at the beginning, the very beginning. What time does your day start?
My day starts early. My alarm clock rings at 6:30 a.m.
Beep, beep, beep. 6:30 a.m. That is early. Do you jump out of bed immediately?
No, I am very tired in the morning. I stay in bed for 5 or 10 minutes. I check the weather on my phone.
Checking the weather is important. It helps you choose your clothes.
Exactly. If it is cold, I wear a jacket. If it is hot, I wear a t-shirt. After I get up, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water? That wakes you up.
Yes, it is a shock, but it works. Then I go to the kitchen. My house is very quiet in the morning.
And what happens in the kitchen? Do you eat breakfast?
First, coffee. Always coffee. I put water in the machine. I put the coffee powder in the machine. I press the button and I wait.
I love the smell of coffee in the morning. Do you drink it black?
Yes, black coffee. I sit at my kitchen table. I look out the window. I see the street. I see the trees. It is my quiet time.
And after the coffee, do you eat food?
Yes, usually I eat 2 pieces of toast. Bread toasted with a little bit of butter. Simple and fast.
Toast and coffee, a classic breakfast. Okay, Mark, you are awake, you have coffee in your stomach. Now you need to prepare for work.
Yes, I brush my teeth, then I get dressed.
What do you wear to work? Is it a formal office? Do you wear a suit and tie?
No, it is not very formal. We call it business casual. I usually wear blue trousers and a white shirt, or a gray shirt. I don't wear a tie.
That is comfortable. And shoes?
I wear black shoes. I clean them every Sunday.
Very organized. Okay, you are dressed, you have your bag, you open the door and leave the house. How do you travel to work?
I drive my car. I have a small red car. I walk to the car, I open the door, and I sit down.
Is the car cold in the morning?
Yes, especially in winter. I turn on the heater immediately. Then I start the engine. Vroom! And I drive to work.
Tell me about the drive. Is it a long trip?
It takes about 40 minutes. It is a long drive.
What do you see when you drive?
I see many things. I see other cars. I see buses. I see people walking on the sidewalk. Sometimes I see children going to school.
And do you listen to anything? The radio?
I listen to the radio news. I like to know what is happening in the world. Sometimes, if the traffic is bad, I listen to classical music to stay calm.
Traffic can be stressful. Do you stop at many traffic lights?
Yes. Red light, stop. Green light, go. Red light, stop. It is a slow process.
But finally, you arrive. Where do you park your car?
My office building has a garage. It is under the building. I drive down. It is dark in the garage. I have a specific parking spot, number 42.
Number 42. That is your spot.
Yes, I park the car, I take my bag, I lock the car, click, click, and I walk to the elevator.
Okay, you are in the elevator. You go up. Which floor is your office on?
I work on the 5th floor. The elevator opens, ding, and I walk into the office.
What is the first thing you see?
I see the reception desk. There is a receptionist named Linda. She is very nice. I say, "Good morning, Linda," and she says, "Good morning, Mark."
It's nice to say hello. It starts the day with good energy.
Exactly. Then I walk to my desk.
Describe your desk for us, Mark. Close your eyes and tell us what is on your table.
Okay, my desk is white. It is large. On the left side, I have my telephone. It's an old office phone. In the middle, I have my computer.
Is it a laptop or a desktop?
It is a desktop. It has a big screen. I also have a keyboard and a mouse.
What else is on the desk?
On the right side, I have a notebook and a blue pen. I write my to-do list in the notebook. And, very important, I have a bottle of water.
Staying hydrated is important. Do you have a chair?
Yes, Sarah, I have a chair. It's a black office chair. It has wheels. I can spin around in it. It's very comfortable.
So you sit in your comfortable chair, you turn on the computer. What happens?
I enter my password. Then I wait for the system to start. When it is ready, I open my email.
The famous emails. We talked about this before, but tell me, how many emails do you have in the morning?
Usually about 20 or 30.
So what do? Do you read all of them fast?
I read the subjects first. Project update, meeting request, lunch menu. I delete the spam. Then I answer the important messages from my boss.
I check my emails. This is a key phrase for our students.
Yes, I check my emails every morning at 9 a.m.
You work for a few hours, then it's 11 a.m. What happens at 11?
Usually at 11 we have a meeting.
Where is the meeting? Is it at your desk?
No, we go to the conference room. It's a special room for talking.
What does the room look like?
It has glass walls. In the center, there is a very long wooden table. There are 10 chairs around the table.
Who comes to the meeting? My team?
Yes, my team. There's Paul, he works in marketing. There's Susan, she's the designer. And there's David, he's our manager.
So you all sit down. Do you bring your computers?
Yes, we bring our laptops, but David, the manager, likes us to listen. He stands up and writes on a whiteboard.
What does he write? He writes our goals?
He draws charts and numbers. He asks, "Mark, how is the project?"
Do you have to speak in the meeting?
Yes, I have to give a report. I say, "The project is going well," or "I need more time."
Are you nervous when you speak?
A little, but my team is friendly. We help each other. Sometimes we laugh.
Laughing is good. It makes work easier. How long is the meeting?
It is usually 1 hour, from 11 to 12 p.m. When it finishes, we are all hungry.
Ah, yes. 12 p.m. or 1 p.m., lunchtime. The best part of the day.
I agree. I have a break for 1 hour.
What do? Do you bring food from home?
Sometimes I bring a sandwich from home, a tuna sandwich or a chicken sandwich, but usually I go to a restaurant near the office.
What kind of restaurant?
There's an Italian place, they make very good pasta, and there's a place that sells salads.
Let's imagine today. Today you go to the salad place. What do you order?
I order a big green salad with tomatoes, carrots, and chicken, and a bottle of sparkling water.
How much does it cost?
It is expensive. It costs $12.
Wow, $12 for lunch?
Yes, but it is delicious. I pay with my credit card. Beep.
Do you eat alone?
Usually I eat with Paul. We sit at a small table. We talk about sports, we talk about movies. We do not talk about emails.
That is a good rule. After lunch, you go back to the office, right?
Yes, I walk back. I sit in my chair again. The afternoon is quiet.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I work on my projects, I write documents, I look at spreadsheets, I make phone calls. Hello, this is Mark. How are you?
And do you have a coffee break in the afternoon?
Yes, at 3:30 p.m. I go to the small kitchen in the office. I make tea. I stand up and stretch my legs. My back hurts if I sit all day.
Finally, the clock shows 5 p.m. Is the day over?
Yes, the day is over. I am happy.
What is your routine to finish the day?
I clean my desk, I put my pen in the drawer, I close my notebook, I turn off the computer. The screen goes black.
Do you say goodbye?
Yes, I say, see you tomorrow, everyone. I walk to the elevator, I go down to the garage, I find my red car.
And you drive home. Is the traffic bad in the evening?
Yes, it is very bad, but I'm going home, so I don't mind. I think about my dinner. I think about my sofa.
And when you arrive home, do you check your work emails?
Never. Home is for relaxing.
Mark, thank you. That was a fantastic description. We saw your whole day: the coffee, the traffic, the desk, the salad, and the drive home.
It was fun to talk about it.
Listeners, did you understand? We used many words today: alarm, traffic, elevator, desk, computer, meeting, lunch, manager.
Listen to this episode again. Try to imagine your day.
Thank you for listening to Clear Talk English for 10 minutes. You are amazing students.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.
Goodbye.